Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to explain you guys the codes and standards for the government regulation which is using in UAE. So here you can see all the materials, workmanships and practice shall be in accordance with the applicable codes and regulations of local municipalities and other regulatory agencies that have jurisdictions in the UAE. So that codes and standards we are using here in UAE is listed here. So you can see the codes and standard. So the following codes and standards, guides and specifications from a part of this specification. When an edition date is not indicated, the latest edition including addenda in force of the time of contract award that supply. So here you can see the UAE fire and life safety code. So UAE fire and life safety codes. So here is ADIBC. So ADIBC is stand for Abu Dhabi International Building Code. So this code is used for Abu Dhabi International Building Codes. HBC and DW144 is stand for a specification for sheet metal ductworks. You also seen in my last videos, which is abbreviation and descriptions. SMECNA is also a stand. SMECNA belongs to HVAC, which stand for duct construction standard, metal and flexible. Okay, and ASTM 157 is stand for a specification for steel sheet zinc coated galvanized by the hot dip process, log forming quality. Okay, so these materials used for the specification which is used for coating and galvanizing. Next one is ASTM 525, which is stand for a standard specification for a steel sheet zinc coated galvanized by the hot dip process. Okay, UL 181. So UL 181 is a standard for the factory made air duct, okay, and air connectors. Next one is UL 723. So UL 723 is a stand for a standard for test for surface burning and characteristics of building materials. Next your standard is ASTM A480, which stands for standard specification for general requirements for flat rolled stainless and heat resisting a steel plate for and sheet and strips. Next code is BS476, which stands for fire test and building materials and structures. Next one is ASTM E84, stand for standard test method for surface burning, characteristics of building materials. NFPA 255, which stands for standard method for test of surface burning, characteristics of building materials. So any materials belongs to the building that will be tested as per this code NFPA 255. BS 5970 2012, thermal insulation of pipework, ductwork, associated equipments and other industrial installation in the temperature range of 100 degrees C to 870 degrees C, code of practice. NFPA 90A. So NFPA is stand for National Fire Protection Association, and 90A is the code which stands for standard for the installation of air conditioning and ventilation system. UL 55, UL is underwrite laboratories, and 55 is stand for standards of fire dampers. Okay, so this code is stand for the fire dampers standards. So next code is here we discuss. So ASRE 70 2006, method for testing of the performance of air outlets and inlets. AMCA 500, which stands for laboratory method of testing lowers for rating ANSI and AHRI stand for Standard 444 Performance Rating of Room Fan Coils. ASHRAE 33 standard and codes stand for Method of Testing Force, Circulation, Air Cooling and Air Heating Coils. AMCA Publication 211 stand for Certified Rating Program Product Rating Manual of the Fan Performance. Okay. Next one is AMCA Publication 311 Certified Rating Program Product Rating Manual for Fan Sound Performance. Okay. Next is NCAMCA Standard 9910 Standard Handbook. Okay. Next is NCAMCA Standard 20405 Balance, Quality and Vibration Level of Fan. STM B8814 Standard Specification for Seamless Copper Water Tube. ASTM E54 Standard Test Method for Chemical Analysis of Special Brass and Bronzes. ASHRAE 111 Testing, Adjusting and Balancing of the Building HVAC ANSI Approved Standard. Okay, this is for the testing, adjusting, balancing type system which is generally used in HVAC. ASHRAE 111. Okay, ASHRAE 62.1 is nothing but the standard ventilation for acceptance indoor air quality ANSI approved. ASHRAE 62.1. ASHRAE 90.1 is standard energy standard for building except low rise residential building. So this is for the high rise building. ASHRAE 90.1. The energy codes. NFPA 96. NFPA 96 is stand for a standard for ventilation control and fire protection of commercial cooking operations. ANSI ASHRAE standard 52.2 method for testing general ventilation air cleaning device for removal efficiency particulate size. So this is how this is the standards specification which is mostly used in MEP and HVAC system. So I hope you guys learn something from this video, and so if you learn something from this video, please do subscribing and hit the bell icon as well, and also please like and share my video. So thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Bye bye.